F-150, 5.5 years old, 135,000 miles, zero rust. The underbody's in pretty good shape as well for being up here in the Midwest, where they use salt on the roads for the winter time. Still fairly clean under here. All except for the exhaust. Rather surprised and disappointed. So as a result, we're going to be putting a new muffler on. And this is the OEM version, which does come with a tailpipe, which I really don't need, but you can see here it's all one piece welded. Now they do make an aftermarket muffler for this vehicle. Problem I noticed was it didn't come with this hanger here, so I would have had to either cut this one off and weld it back on or fabricate it somehow. Also on the back side, the pipe extended rather far out from the muffler, so I would have had to shorten it by cutting it off. And then you can see the tailpipe kind of bends rather quickly there, and trying to put an adapter in there and a clamp, I think I would have ran into some issues, because you can't really push this tailpipe back very far. You run out of some clearance room here, and then you have to deal with this hanger up here as well. So as a result, I just opted for the OEM. A little more money, but a lot less headache. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. First things first, we're going to remove this clamp. Pretty rusty. I'm be surprised if it just doesn't break on me. It is a 14mm. Hey, what do you know? Alright, it wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. Well, they look the same. That's good. Alright, for those that want to know what it sounds like. There you go. Very difficult. There, that gets in. Thanks, wife unit. taking a little closer at the tailpipe here, and I don't know if you can see that very well, but it's starting to rust through there as well. Alright, we got her all done. Wasn't too bad of a project. You'll definitely want some help when you're trying to put the new exhaust up, trying to line up all those hangers. But overall, not too difficult a job. But anyway, I'm going to end this video here. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. And hopefully we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.